Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. But I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're knocked out, I'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches,
Hello mga kacoolest! Welcome to Korean town! Sukumvhit Soy 12. We are going to try one of Korean buffet restaurants here in Bangkok. Sa lahat po ng mga subscribers, thank you very much. Sa panig man kayo ng mundo, malapit na ang Pasko. So anyways, shout out Teacher Girlie, salamat. Siya ang aking cameraman ngayon. So today, itatry po natin ang Korean buffet, Korean barbecue, Bangkok style. Kasi nasa Bangkok tayo. Kwan Han-ru. This is actually new. When we came here maybe 6 months ago, this restaurant wasn't here. But now, it's here. Charan! And it's only 329 baht. And this is buffet. So it means all you can eat. But for 1 hour and 30 minutes only. So this is actually very tiny area, tiny place. And all you can see are Korean restaurants. So these are the food mga kacoolest. Ito yung ating titikman. So, iba't ibang klase ng meat at iba't ibang klase ng, what do you call this? Pika-pika or appetizers. Mga pickled something. So excited ako kasi I am also a big fan of Korean food. So alam ko sa mga Pilipino na nasa Pilipinas, gusto nyo rin ng Korean food. I think most of you, kasi di ba sikat na sikat yung kanilang K-pop at saka K-drama. By the way, mahirap magsalita kasi wala namang tao. Tatanggalin ko muna yung aking mask para makita yung kagandahan ko. O, di ba? O, di ba? Ang ganda ko, di ba? Charot. O, mga marites dyan, kaway-kaway. Tayo na mga kulas, excited na ako. Excited ka na ba, Teacher Girlie?
Yes, yes, yes!
Okay, let's go and try Korean barbecue Kwan Han-ru. Okay, so I am going to put my mask back kasi makikita natin ang mga tao sa loob. Okay. So let's go mga kulas, samahan niyo ako at sana mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood at sana mabusog ang inyong mga mata sa iba't ibang Korean dishes. Let's go, go, go! So mga kulas, we have, of course, ang ating healthy salad, lettuce leaves, I think peanuts, kimchi. This one is another type of pickled. I am not sure. Maybe mustard. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Pickled papaya. Mushroom. By the way, let me try. Okay. Not bad mushroom. I was right. And this is parang kasamahan ng meatballs. It's good. Meat. We have, all of these are pork. Oh, bituka. Interesting. And another type of pork, and another type of pork. This one is kind of like bacon type. So we are just waiting for our baga or fire so we can cook and we can do our own samgyeopsal. So eto mga kacoolest, tteokbokki. Ayan. This is actually included sa inyong babayaran na 329. Actually, this is good. Japchae. I had this before. So mga kules, if you are actually a fast eater, it's good because it's only 329. And as soon as you finish all of this food, you can have another round. And ang drinks, nasa second floor kukunin namin. Siyempre, gagawa tayo ng ating sauce. Ayan. Eto, ganito po siya. Some garlic. Ang kanilang Korean sauce, dipping sauce. So, ayan, simulan na natin mga kakulis ang ating ihaw-ihaw. Let's grill, grill, grill. Siyempre, dapat unahin natin yung mga fatty para meron tayong parang oil, free oil. Ooh. So, shout out sa mga friends ko You can try this. Kwan Hanru. 329 baht only. All you can eat. So nakikita nyo naman mga kakules. Ayan. Ang kanilang 329 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yan mga kakules, pag naluto na yan, siguro naman nakakapanood kayo ng mga Korean novela or drama. So pag naluto na siya, di ba, gugupitin nyo. Di ba? Minho, I love you. Ayan, tinutulungan ako ni Mano, mga kakules. Kap ko na ka. Ito, i-share ko lang sa aking mga bagong subscribers. Ako po ay sanay sa ganito. Kasi nga, nung bata ako, hanggang maging college, hanggang nandito na ako sa Thailand, ang aming business, charot business talaga, meron kaming barbecue sa maliit na kanto sa Mindoro. Kaya sanay ako sa baboy. Grabe, ang lakas ng apoy, mga kakules, nasusunog na. Diyos ko, nakakahiya. Hindi pa naman ako marunong mag-grill kasi nga, di ba, I was born rich, charot. Eh, di ba nga ito yung hanap buhay namin. So, ito yung ating lettuce. And, syempre, gusto ko malasa. Isasaw-saw ko dito. Tapos, gusto ko merong konting yung mga salad or pickled. And, syempre, ipofold natin. It's good. Try nga natin mga kules. Not bad. Ito yung pansit nila. Actually, yung restaurant na ito, maraming tao, I'm surprised. Ang daming dumarating, oh. Ito yung kanilang japchae. Tteokbokki or tteokbokki. It's chewy. Lettuce salad with Korean sauce. Ito yung gustong-gusto kong taste. I like this one a lot. Lugi kami. Hindi na kami makakapag second round, mga kakules. Ito na yung aming maximum capacity. Sa mga big eater, ang mura nito, 329. Sobrang daming food. Ito yung mushroom nila, kakules. It's garlicky. It's plain, but it's good. It's very intriguing. It's like boiled peanuts. Try it. It's a little sweet, but not bad. Samgyeopsal. Annyeonghaseyo. Yung mga kules, Korean food is actually not as big as Japanese food in Thailand, right, Teacher Girlie? Kasi ang mga Thai, mas gusto nila ang Japanese food. If you go to malls here, mostly Japanese restaurants ang makikita nyo. Ang dami-daming Japanese restaurants compared to Korean restaurants. Kain tayo, kakules, samgyeopsal. Sarap. Kahit sa mata, mabusog kayo. Ang sarap niya. It's crispy and spicy. A little sweet and a little sour. Sarap ng timpla nila. In fairness, yung bitukan nila, masarap, ha? Nagutom ba kayo, kakules? Try nyo rin sa Pilipinas. Please comment kung magkano sa Pilipinas ang mga parang Korean barbecue buffet. Kasi dito, if we are not going to convert 329, all you can eat na, para sa amin, hindi yun mahal. Kung baga, imagine niyo, pumunta kayo sa isang mall, dyan sa Pilipinas, tapos pupunta kayo sa isang Korean restaurant na all you can eat na, tapos magbabayad kayo ng 329 pesos. So parang ganun din yung feeling namin. Gusto nyo pa ba, kakules? Ayan o, di ba? Fresh and healthy. Samgyeopsal, Bangkok style. Uubusin lang namin ito, mga kules. If you ask me, the food itself, if I'm going to rate it, I would rate it, I think 7 out of 10.
Yeah, me too.
For the amount of food that you're going to get, it's actually cheap. Ay, kita nyo, mga kules, oh, ang sarap ng bituka, in fairness. So, uubusin lang namin ang aming mga ihaw-ihaw. Kaka 40 minutes na kami, or 50. So, meron pa kaming 40 minutes to finish all of this. Oh no! The electricity just went off. So, hindi pa kami nagbabayad. So, ito pa lang. So, let's see kung magkano ang mababayaran ko. Taulay ka? Kapo na ka. For 2 persons, we paid 650. Pero busog na kami. Sa mga taga-Pilipinas, I miss you mga kababayan. Malapit na ang Pasko. Ay, katuwat na ka. That's it mga kules. Have a nice day and see you in the next vlog, Korean Town.